we'll guide you through how to create a link for Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover over the file or folder, and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on that Share button. A pop-up window will appear giving you sharing options. Here, you want to choose the option that says Create Link. Dropbox will generate a shared link for you. Now, it's important to know that by default, anyone with this link can view your file, but you can adjust these settings. If you want to change who can access the file, click on the settings gear icon next to the link. Here, you can set permissions for viewer, editor, or restrict it to specific email addresses only. After setting the permissions, click Save. Now, simply click Copy Link to copy the link to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you need to share it, be it an email, a message, or any other platform. That's all there is to it. Creating a link in Dropbox is super easy and a great way to share files efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.